And you can tell by my jacket, this is the large clumpy snow, and it's coming down hard. It's coming down steady. Take a look at what's happened here. This is in Greensboro. Last, hour and a half. We got a pretty good amount of snow here on the ground. And you step over here to the asphalt. I want to show you what this is going to look like even on our roads. It's slush. Not ice, but slush. So here we are. It's past 11 o'clock. You might not be ready yet, and Emily Spain's going to show you that if you haven't gotten what you needed yet, you're probably out of time right now.
Yeah, all the stores are closed.
And you're probably in that position right now if you didn't get stuck in line earlier today at some of the stores. Emily, great story. Thanks so much. So we got to start explaining the school calendar now, don't we? We're trying to figure out the schedule. That takes a little investigation. Guilford County schools and many other districts have closed for tomorrow, obviously. So that means another change and the running out of the snow days. So 2 wants to know what factors they consider when it comes to how to make up for those days. First, you need to know that state law requires 180 days of instruction or 1,025 hours. That's a whole lot of time that they've got to make up. So in addition to that, they have 11 state holidays, and the law requires that each start and end date is the same each year or doesn't go past a certain amount. 9 to 10 teacher work days are included, 10 teacher vacation days. Guilford County Schools has already taken 1 day out of spring break. They've tacked on a couple days to the end of the school year, and Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools has tacked on 3 days to the end of the school year, so we're losing some of our summer, Julie. Well, brine everywhere. Let me show you why. I'm going to step out of this shot real fast. The streets look a lot different than they did when we began this newscast. When we started, it was slushy. Now it's still slushy, but it's a whiteout condition here. So the brine, of course, is the main way that they deal with this. And with several inches on the ground, there's going to still be plenty to plow. DOT crews in Davidson, Davie, Forsyth, and Stokes counties use nearly 90,000 gallons of brine on our interstates in the area. But while brine adds to safety, it turns out it can be costly for your car. Did you know every year around the nation, state and local crews spend more than $2 billion on snow and ice control? And according to AAA, drivers spend $6.5 billion repairing the salt corrosion on paint and other metal parts of their cars. So we're going to talk to Chief Meteorologist Grant Gilmore here. So the thing that makes this storm different, and I was talking to some of the crews in Greensboro, is the fact that it's warmer now and we won't have the same issues with the bonding and the ice on the roads. The brine should help out, Grant, but this time I guess, you know, the deep freeze is not here, and that's going to be a benefit.
Absolutely.
And we've got snow reports coming in from all over the area. We want to say thank you for the photos. Keep them coming. Hashtag #GotSnow on Twitter. Started seeing the reports coming around 8 o'clock tonight in some of the counties like Randolph and such, and some of them came in a little earlier than that. Look at some of these photos, though. We've got one from Sharon using the #GotSnow tag, and one out of Burlington taking a look at the snow coming down there, the big flakes, the big beautiful ones.